Hi, Sean O'Haron here with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore. Today, I'm going to take you aboard the flagship of Boston Whaler, the 42 Outrage. Starting out, we've got four incredible race 450 horsepower V8 Mercury engines on the back. Makes for an incredible ride, gets you over 60 miles an hour at wide open throttle on this very large vessel. Another nice feature is a single flush. One hose connects up, flushes all engines at one time, makes for great maintenance, helps the life of those engines. Nice little dive ladder flipped up down there as you're coming aboard. And entering, you got a freshwater shower, pop-up cleats, nice live well over here. Come aboard and let me show you more. Once in the cockpit, you'll notice I'm under the shade. Press of a button, sure shade goes all the way back. You can see how long it extends. Right here, you got the dive ladder designated for the dive door over there. Bring this bench down, plenty of seating room. Easy to put away, very heavy duty hardware, just like everything on a whaler. Here, nice access to everything. You can see your generators down there, all your intakes, easy to get to. Nice teak table designated for the top here, designated storage. Very clean, very easy to get to everything. Coming over here, you got a very heavy duty dive door. You can see how thick that is, how nice and clean, and how easy it is to access. Nice access for diving, snorkeling, bringing in that big catch, and also very large fish boxes, both port and starboard for that catch. Let's move forward and show you some more features. We got this amazing wet bar. It's got a grill, refrigerator, another live well, sink, two cup holders, ice maker, everything you need. Put some extra stuff there for either cooking or fishing. Everything you need for the day. And I'll show you how that converts into a seat also. Let's move forward. Looking at the helm, you got three beautiful captain chairs. Very comfortable. The Cool Touch fabric, very nice on a hot day. You got the Ray Marine electronics, huge screens, three of them. You can switch any of them to GPS, fish finder, the boat systems, or bring the Merc gauges up to the larger screen. Air conditioning vent blowing nice cool air on you all day. Buttons are very easy to see, easy labeled, anything from your horn to your sure shade that I just showed you earlier. Digital throttle shift, very easy to put into gear, very smooth. It's got the joystick docking, makes you a pro in no time. That joystick will move the boat anywhere you tell it to go. Press of a button, sky hook, keeps you in your position while you're waiting for that bridge in a current or anything. I got the nice little step up here. So for somebody like myself underway, I have great visibility. Moving over here, we've got the light blue underneath, and it goes perfectly with the black powder coating. Very sharp look. This boat's got a seakeeper. I've gotten engaged right now, so we're very nice and stable at the dock, and we'll be stable as we go out. Moving down in the cabin, you'll see we put teak everywhere. Nice soft teak steps down to here. Feels really good on the feet. Natural teak is a wonderful thing. Table right here is in the up position, and it's great for dining. It can also, with a shorter leg, be down, so you got a nice sleeping area here. Rod holders inside to keep your nice prize rods safe and locked away. Lots of natural light everywhere. You got this whole system iPad here. This is going to control the whole boat. Any of the accessories you want to use sits there right on the charger. Looking here, I see a TV. I got a nice galley, refrigerator, sink, and a full stand-up head private from the rest of the cabin. What a beautiful layout. Moving forward, you'll see the nice wide walkways, both port and starboard. Easy grab handle if you're underway and you got some waves. Very nice area up here. JL audio speakers. You got the table that press of a button goes up like it is right now, down for a huge lounge area. Same with the cushions here. It's got an incredible layout for lounging for many people. Thank you for taking the time today to walk through this amazing Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. If you've got more questions on this boat, want to see it in person, or any of our other products, contact me, Sean O'Haron, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Superstore.